In this video I'll show you how you can create this colored wood in Blender for free. To get started, go on MPSCG and download these two different textures. For this texture I've used a multiply node, that is a mixed color with the factor to 1 between the ambient occlusion and the base color. After that I've used a hue saturation value node that has the hue to 0.89 and the saturation to 10. I've also upgraded the value to 2. This is the base color. For the other texture I've used the same setup, but this time I've used the value to 1.8 and the hue to 0.5. For mixing these two different textures I've used a mix shader with a nest texture and a color ramp. Remember that I've set the roughness to 1 of the nest texture, and as you can see this is really important. For the displacement values of the two different materials I've used a mixed color node. The factor is always the color ramp of the nest texture, and I've connected the result of the mixed color to the height of the displacement. If you want to show an inscription, like I've done in this case, add the image texture and a principal BSDF. Use the image as a factor in a mix shader, and for displaying it in a correct way you can use a UV map node. Add a UV map here. After that you've selected it, change tab and go into the UV editor. So this is the image. Press tab in order to enter edit mode, and here as you can see I can move it, but the other material is not moving. Obviously remember to select the right UV map. In Blender I'm using GX with Punchy, and I've changed both the exposure and the gamma. I've used this material in this render and I'm going to upload a tutorial about it, so subscribe if you don't want to miss it, and if you want to support me you can check out my website or my Patreon page for all the 3D files of the renders that you're seeing right now. Subscribe for more, and see you all in the next one.